Hello students, welcome to OTT. I am your Max teacher. Today we are going to learn 3rd standard Max, first unit geometry in that part 2 video. Okay, I already post part 1 video in the YouTube. If you are not seeing that video, go and see that video. Now we are going to see the part 2 video. In that we are going to learn what is 3D shapes and in that what is vertices, edges and faces, diagonals. So many things we are going to learn, and what is tangram and what is tessellation. These are the things we are going to learn in this video. Okay, come on, let's move to the class. I already teach the properties of 2D shapes. Now we are going to see what is 3D shapes. Okay, here we have construction of 3D shapes. Look at the things around you. Identify the shapes of the objects. Observe the dimension of these objects. Okay, here we have some object. These are the things we are looking in our day-to-day life. Okay, and these objects are in 3D shapes. Okay, these objects are in 3D shapes. For example, ball, tomato, dice. Okay, apple, ball. Here a cricket ball we have. These are all the examples of 3D shapes. Okay, you just looking these structures. Okay, here we have 3D shapes in Max. Okay, this is the basic 3D shapes in mathematics. First one cuboid, second one cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid, cone. Okay, these are all the 3D shapes. And what is 3D shape? Here we have that definition. Solid shapes have 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth and height. Okay, if you see in cuboid, it has 3 dimension. Okay, 3 dimension. What is that 3 dimension? Just now I read that one. Length. What is length? Okay, this side, this side is called length. I shortly named L. Okay, L and here we have breadth. What is breadth? This side. Okay, this side is called this side breadth. I shortly named as B. Okay, what is height? Sorry, this is not breadth. This side is called breadth. I shortly named B. And this one is the height, H. Okay, here we have 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height, so that this shape is called 3D shapes. Okay, similarly in all the shapes we have these 3 dimensions. Okay, length, breadth and height. Next one, in 3D shapes we have vertices, edges and faces. So many things. Okay, let us see one by one. Okay, in cuboid, first we are going to see what is edge. Okay, what is edge? Okay, edge is nothing but the corner line. Okay, the corner line. This line is called edge. Okay, this line is called edge. 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 Okay, the corner lines. The corner lines are called edge. The corner lines are called edge. And same thing, similarly, cube also the corner line. Okay, sorry. Yes, this is the corner line. The corner lines are called edge. Okay, this is called edge. The corner lines are called edge. Now let us count how many edges are in cuboid. Okay, let us count one by one. Okay, this is one. Okay, one. This is two. Two. This is three. Three. Four. And this one five. Five. This one 6, this one 7, this one 8, this one 9, this one 10, and this one 11, and here this one 12. There are 12 edges in cuboid. Okay, the corner side. Okay, the corner line, the corner straight line is called edges. Okay, in cuboid how many edges are there? 12 edges. Similarly, cube also have 12 edges. Okay, if you want you can count that one. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, you see there are 12 edges in cube. Okay, next one we are going to see what is vertices. Okay, what is vertices? Vertices is the plural form of vertex. Okay, vertex is the singular form, vertices is the plural form. What is vertex? Vertex is nothing but the edges are joining one point. You see the edges are joining one point. Okay, this point is called vertex. Okay, here we have the edges are joining one point, the corner point. Okay, the corner point. Okay, the corner points are called vertex. The corner points are called vertex. You see all the corner points I am marking. The corner points are called vertex. Let us count how many vertices are there in cuboid. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. There are 8 vertices in cuboid. Similarly, cube also has 8 vertices. If you want, you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, the corner points are called vertices. Then next one, face. Next one, face. The face is nothing but the flat surface. The flat surface is called face. Okay, here we have flat surface. Flat surface means the front surface. Okay, you see here we have the front. Okay, I am painting, I am painting that front surface. Okay, this is called the flat surface is called face. Okay, the flat surface is called face. I am painting the face. The flat surface is called face. Okay, here in the top also we have the face. Okay, inside also we have face. I'm marking the face. Sorry, I'm drawing the face. The flat surface is called face. This is called face. Okay, let us count how many faces are in cuboid. Okay, okay, here we have in front we have one. Sorry, in front we have one face, and that back also we have one face, therefore 2. In the side we have one face, 3. In this side 4. Okay, in the top 5. In the down 6. There are 6 faces in cuboid. Okay, in cube also we have 6 faces. If you want, you can count that. In cylinder, how many faces are there? In the top we have one face, sorry, in the top we have one face, in the down we have one face. There are 2 faces in cylinder. Okay, that's all, students. In 3D shapes, face is mentioned by side also. Okay, if they are mentioning the side, that means face. Okay, in 3D shapes only. You just keep it in your mind. I will use it in coming practice. Okay, that's why I say that one. Next, okay, here they are giving some information for us. I'm going to read one by one. Okay, you just listen. First one, a cube is a solid shape made of squares. Okay, cube is made by square. Okay, if you see the cube in the front view, okay, if you see that front view only, that is in which shape? Square shape. Okay, so that if you see all the faces or sides in cube, that is in square structure. Okay, therefore the cube is made by squares. The cube is made by squares. What about cuboid? The cuboid is made by rectangles. Okay, sorry, yes, the cuboid is made by rectangles. What about sphere? It is look like in circle shape, you know. Therefore, the sphere is made by circle. Here we have pyramid, you know. It is in which shape? Triangle shape. Therefore, the triangle is made by, sorry, the pyramid is made by what? Triangles. Okay, that's all, students. A cube is solid shape made of squares. Okay, as well as a cuboid is a solid shape made of what? Rectangles. Okay, cube is made by squares, cuboid is made by rectangles, and sphere is a solid shape made of circles. Okay, sphere is in circle shape, therefore it is made by circles. Okay, next one, it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. We already count it. Okay, in the beginning, you know, I already teach you. There are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices in cube. Cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. In sphere, it has only one face, no edges and no vertex. Face means that surface, you know, the flat surface. Okay, in the sphere we have only one surface, therefore the sphere has only one face. Okay, face is nothing but that flat surface. Okay, that is called face, as well as side. Okay, you just keep it in your mind. Here we have one practice. Okay, serial number, figure, 2D or 3D, shape, name, number of sides, number of edges, number of corners, number of diagonals. Okay, in what is that? What is this? Okay, what is this figure? Rectangle. It is in it is 2D or 3D? Okay, 2D. Here we have only length and breadth. Okay, this is length L, this is B. Okay, therefore we have only 2 dimension. Okay, here we have only 2 dimension, therefore this is 2D. Number of sides means, okay, the bounding edges. Okay, this is called side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. And number of edges means the boundary lines, the corner lines. How many corner lines are there? That is also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also 4. Number of corners. Corners means the two edges are meeting one point, this point is called corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 4 edges, 4 corners. And number of diagonals. Diagonals is nothing but that line joining the opposite corners or side. Okay, if you joining the opposite sides, we get one line. How many lines are there? 1, 2. That is the diagonals. There are 2 diagonals. Next one in triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Number of sides, here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. 3 sides. Number of edges, the boundary line. Okay, that is also the corner line. The same thing, side. Okay, that is also 3. Number of corners, the sides are, the edges are meeting one point, that is called corner. This is called corner. There are 3 corners. And how many diagonals? Diagonals is nothing but joining the opposite sides. Okay, there is no opposite sides. Okay, here we have one corner, there is no another corner, therefore there is no diagonals in what? Yes, triangle. No diagonals. No diagonals. This is circle. Number of sides, here they are mentioning the face. Okay, therefore side is nothing but in face also. Therefore number of sides in a circle is 1. Okay, here we have one flat surface. Okay, that is called sides here. Okay, therefore 1. And how many edges? There is no edges. Edges means the straight line. Okay, there is no straight line. Here we have only the curved line only. There is no straight line like this. Therefore there is no edges. And number of corners, there is no edges means there is no corners. Number of diagonals, there is no edges and corners, that means there is no diagonals. Okay, that's all, student. Let's move. Okay, here we have square. It is in 2D shape. I think we already seen this one. Okay, now let us see. Here we have square, and this column is number of sides. Okay, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the above we have one side 4. Therefore 4 sides. And how many edges? Edges means the boundary line. Okay, the corner line. Okay, that is also side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also 4. And how many vertices? Okay, in the corner point. Okay, that is called vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is also 4. How many diagonals? Joining the opposite side. If you joining the opposite side, we have the lines. How many lines are there? There are 2 lines. Therefore 2 diagonals in square. Here we have 2D diagonal, 2D triangle. This is isosceles triangle. Okay, that means in this triangle 2 sides are equal. This side and this sides are equal. Okay, let us see how many sides are there. There are 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. how many edges the corner line, okay, 1 2 3, that is also 3. How many vertices the corner the edges are joining one point, that point is called vertices. There are 3 points, therefore 3 vertices. How many diagonals? There is no opposite joining lines, therefore there is no diagonals. This is also like a rectangle, we have already seen this one. How many sides in rectangle? 4 sides, 4 edges and 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Okay, this is cube. How many sides in cube in this column? In 3D shape, the side is nothing but the face. We already seen this one. How many faces in cube? Yes, 6 faces. Okay, here we have the front, the flat surface. The flat surface is called face. And how many this one edges? Edges means the border line, the corner line. How many edges in cube? We already count that one. Wait. Okay, how many edges in cube? We already seen there are 12 edges. How many vertices? There are 8 vertices. How many diagonals? We are not seeing this one. Diagonals means joining the opposite sides. That line is called diagonal line. Here we have in front we have one square. I am joining this corner to that corner and this one to this one. Okay, in front square, how many diagonals are there? There are 2 diagonals. In cube, how many faces? There are 6 faces. 6 faces means there are 6 squares. Okay, because cube is made by squares, there are 6 squares. In each square we have 2 diagonals, therefore there are 6 squares. That means 6 cross 2, 6 multiply 2. Okay, 6 2s are 12. Yes, there are 12 face diagonals. Okay, the same thing cuboid. Okay, similarly cuboid also have 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices and 12 diagonals. In sphere, how many faces are there? That means side. Okay, only one side. Okay, this one, that is only one. There is no edge, there is no vertices, there is no diagonals. That's all. I hope you understand. Yes. Next, here we have matched the following. Okay, they are matching one. One thing, that is cone. Here we have one object. It is in which shape? Yes, it is in cuboid shape. Where is cuboid? Here we have cuboid. Just draw one line to cuboid. Okay, and here which shape? Sorry, first we filling this column. Okay, next this one basketball. It is in sphere shape. Where is sphere? Here the sphere. Okay, and this is dice. It is in which shape? Each faces is look like squares. Okay, this shape is made by squares. Which shape made by squares? Yes, cube is made by squares. Where is cube? Cube. This is look like in cylinder shape. Where is cylinder? Here we have cylinder here, because it is in curved shape. Okay, cylinder is in curved shape, therefore it is in cylinder shape. Next we are fixing this column. It is look like which shape? Each if you see this in the front face, it is look like yes, square shape. Okay, therefore this box is made by squares. Which shape is made by squares? Yes, cube is made by square. Okay, just joining. It is look like cylinder shape. Okay, and this one is, it is look like in that front face is look like which shape? It is in rectangle. Therefore this suitcase is made by rectangles. Which shape is made by rectangles? Yes, cuboid is made by rectangle. That's all. And this is one, it is in cone shape. Okay, they are already matching that one, cone. You see, this one, it is in which shape? Sphere shape. Okay, it is in ball shape. That's all, student. Next, here they are giving the geoboard. Okay, the geoboard is made by the dotted lines. Okay, here they are giving some incomplete 3D shapes. We have to complete that one. First one, it is what? Cube. Okay, here we have, there is one line is missing. There is one line is missing, this line. Okay, that is called, what is this line? This is called edge or vertex. Yes, it is called edge. Edge means the corner lines. Okay, that's all. Here we have the shape is complete. You see, the shape is complete. Now I am going to complete this shape. It is cuboid. See, the cuboid is complete. This is cone. There is only one line missing, that is height. Okay, see, the cone is complete. And if you don't know how to draw the cube and cuboid, you see, I am going to draw that cube and cuboid here by using squares and rectangle. Cube is made by what? Cube is made by square, don't forget it. Cube is made by square. I am going to draw the cube shape. Cube is made by square. So, see, I am drawing the square. One square. In the top also, I am going to draw one square shape. Okay, then I am going to join the corners, opposite corners. The corner. You see, here I draw the cube shape. Okay, by using squares, because cube is made by square. Next, I am going to draw the cuboid. Cuboid is made by rectangle, so I draw the rectangle. In the top also I draw one rectangle. Okay, now I am going to joining the corner. You see, it is in which shape? Cuboid. Yes, I am using the rectangles to make cuboid. In this way, you can also draw the cube and cuboid. This is the easy way to draw. Next, okay, here we have the activity 5. Complete solid shapes and color it. Okay, we have to complete the shapes and we have to color it by using the sketches. Okay, this is sphere. It is incomplete. You have to draw the sphere and you have to color it. Okay, this is cuboid. You have to join that lines. Then you will draw the cuboid. And then you have to color it. Okay, this is cube. This is cylinder. Okay, I am doing one act. Sorry, I am. Okay, here see, I am joining that line. I made the cone. In that way, you have to do. You have to draw all the shapes. Thank you. Next one. Yes, tangram. Okay, this is one of the interesting topic. Okay, tangram is nothing but here they are giving the definitions. 10 gram is nothing but a square divided into 7 pieces. Here you see a square divided into 7 pieces, 1 parallelogram, 1 square and 5 triangles. You see here a square divided into 7 pieces, that is called what? 10 gram. You see the whole thing, you see the whole picture, which it is in which shape? Yes, it is in square shape. Here they are dividing the square into 7 parts, okay, 7 parts. But here what are the wait 7 parts, okay, what are they? Here we have triangle, square, and this is parallelogram. This is also triangle, this is also triangle, square, 1 parallelogram. Therefore there are 7 pieces. That's why it is called 10 gram. A square is made by 7 pieces, namely 1 parallelogram, 1 square, and how many triangles? 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles, okay? That is called 10 gram. By using by using these shapes, we can make animals. We can make the picture of animals and some other things. Okay, here they are made some pictures by using these 10 gram shapes. First one is horse. Okay, here they are using the 7 shape and they are made one horse. Here they are made one bird. Okay, I think this is duck, crow, okay, telephone, house, boat, fish. Okay, in that way we can make so many pictures by using these 7 shapes. Okay, here we have one simplified version. Okay, this is simplified 10 gram. Here we have only 5 shapes, that is one parallelogram, 1 square, and 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles, 1 square, 1 parallelogram. So therefore this is called what? This is simplified version of 10 gram. Okay. By using these 5 shapes, they are made some pictures. Okay, you can see. You see, here they are give some practice to us. You can also do it in our home. You just take one square shape chart or paper, and you have to cut it into 7 pieces. In 7 pieces there are 5 triangles, 1 parallelogram, 1 square must be there. By using that shapes, you can made. Here they are making what? First thing, aeroplane, and what is that? I think this one. I think this one Tata is. Okay, Tata is. This is rocket. This is man. I think this is horse. Okay, they are making 5 pictures by using this 10 gram pieces. Okay, if you count the here we have aeroplane. You know, if you count if you count that shape, there must be 7 shape only. Okay, there must be you count 7 shape only. Let us count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see the beauty. There are only the 7 pieces, that is in 10 gram. Okay, here also we have 7 pieces. What are the 7 pieces? 5 triangles. Okay, let us see. First let us count the triangles. Okay, I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles, 1 square, 1 parallelogram. Therefore, 7 pieces. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. By using 7 pieces, they are making tortoise. Okay. That's all, students. This is tangram. That is the Chinese puzzle. That means a square is made by 7 pieces. By using that 7 pieces, we can make animals, pictures, some other things. Okay, that is the tangram. And we have also simplified version of tangram. In that we have five pieces. There are 3 triangles and 1 square, 1 parallelogram. In original tangram we have 5 triangles, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. By using this, you can make any picture. You can make many pictures. Here we have tail. Okay, you see. Okay, you see this shape. Okay, this is called what? Tiling or tessellation. Okay, here we have you see in this image. Okay, this is called tiling or tessellation. What is tiling and what is tessellation? Tiling and tessellations are same meaning. Okay, here we have the definition. When we repeat individual tiles or patterns together with no gaps or overlaps to fill a flat space, the arrangement is called tessellation. Okay, here we have the tile. Tile means the one part. Okay, this part is called tile. Okay, this is one tile. Okay, this is one tile. Okay, this is one tile. Okay, before, what is the tile? Tile is nothing but packed clay in the form of a shape that is used to cover surface is called a tile. Tile means that is made by packed clay. That is, in Tamil we can say that is sutta kaliman. Okay, this shape is made by the packed clay. Okay, by it is used to cover the surface, so that it is called what? Tile. This is one tile. This is one of the tile. This is one of the tile. Here we are arranging so many tiles. Okay, by filling the surface by wait students. Okay, here we have so many tiles. By using that tiles, we are making one pattern. Okay, this pattern is called what? Tessellation. In this pattern, there is no gap and there is no overlap. That means there is no gap means here we have, you see, here we have one tessellation. Okay, here we have one tessellation. In that we have some gaps. Okay, see, here we have so many gaps. Therefore, this is not tessellation. That means this is not tiling. Tiling is nothing but tessellation. Tiling and tessellations are same meaning. Therefore, in tessellation there is no gap and there is no overlap. Okay, here we have gap. Therefore, this is not tessellation. This is not tessellation. Okay, this is also not tessellation because here we have gap. Inside we have gap. You see here we have gaps. Okay, therefore this structure is also not tessellation. This is also not tessellation because here we have gaps. Okay, in tessellation there is no gaps. Okay, here they are giving the practice. Okay, complete the following tiling pattern. Okay, in the way we have to draw this pattern. Okay, Okay, here we have to color that. You have to color like this. You have to color like this. Okay, this is the practice for you. You try it in your home. This is called what? Tessellation. Here we have no gaps and no overlapping. Here we have the activity 6. Tessellate a new region using the following shapes. Okay, here they are giving some mathematical shapes. By using the shape, we have to make a tessellation. This one we have already seen. This is not tessellation. This is not tessellation. This is not tessellation because there is a gap. Okay, though pentagons and heptagons are regular polygons, they do not tessellate. Okay, this is called pentagon. Heptagons means that shape has 7 sides. Okay, that is heptagons. That is made by 7 sides. That can also not made that tessellation. Okay, that's all. Okay, here I forget one thing. Let us explore. There are some shapes that cannot be used to make tiling patterns. Why? What are they? Name them and give reasons. Here they are giving pentagon and hexagon. Okay, we already seen that pentagon is not. By using the pentagon, we can't make the tessellation, but in hexagon we can make the tessellation. Here we have the example. This is pentagon. We can't make the, by using the pentagon we can't make the tessellation because there is a gap. And here we have the hexagon. We can make tessellation. Okay, that is the reason. We have the gaps in pentagon, so that we can't make tessellation by using the pentagon. We can make tessellation by using hexagon. Okay, that's all, students. That's all, students. Today class is over. Now we finishing the first unit, geometry. In next class we will see the second unit, numbers. Okay, and last thing, if you are not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you very much.